Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. This is our 2012 62 registered Mercedes-Benz C250. It's an AMG Sport Plus edition. It's finished in Tenorite Grey, which is a fantastic colour. It's got 56,000 miles, 8 services, and it's in very nice condition. Rides on the 18-inch twin-spoke alloys, which are all in good condition. It's got 4 good tyres, got privacy glass, parking sensors front and rear. Been very, very well kept, this car. AMG Plus is the one with the red seat belts, the red stitching, obviously the bigger wheels as you can see. It's got provisions for the Becker, I think, but it does have Apple CarPlay and an aftermarket Android system fitted alongside the original system. So you still get all of the standard Mercedes-Benz stereo features, as well as CarPlay and navigation, etc. Has got power tailgate, as you can see there. All really clean in the boot. Got the load cover and all your tools and bits and bobs under the floor. Inside, it's got the Artico interior, so the pleather and suede, or whatever you want to call it, with, as I say, the red seat belts. Got Isofix and armrest as standard. The red stitch continues throughout the steering wheel and the gear lever and the armrest. Seats are all in really great shape. No damage, no splits, etc. These bolsters are quite common for splitting. You got your folding mirrors. Some little light scratches here where people's got out with keys, but it can't be helped. It's got auto lights and wipers. It's got heated seats, which is a rare option again. As you can see there, the mileage is 56265, and I will just start the vehicle so you can see there's no warning lights. And then we'll run through some of the interior features. So no warnings, as you see, the lights come on and go out as they should. Car's all good, nice, healthy, 4-cylinder car. As I mentioned over here, you've got the original media and navigation. However, the navigation flicks you through to Apple CarPlay, as you can see there. It streams your music, Bluetooth, gives you the option for Apple Maps, etc. I'm not very good with tech. Oh, there we go. Scroll like that. There we go, my mistake. So yeah, nice feature. Yeah, it's all there and working, as you can see there. Works really well. But you do still get the functionality of the original system with your Bluetooth, etc. Got your dual climate control. All the sensor is in fantastic condition. Loads of paperwork, etc. in there. And that's really it. If you do want to view the car or test drive it, give us a shout, 01509 267 111, and we'll get you booked in. Thanks for watching.